Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and demonstration video. I'm checking out this smart cable lock. This is a biometric lock, so you'll be able to open it with your finger or thumbprint, or I believe an app also. This comes with a charging cable, instructions, and then the actual cable itself. Wow, that's some heavy duty metal on there. Okay, that feels really solid, and it has this little magnetic, I think it's magnetic, or this little cover that just swings out of the way and reveals a little fingerprint there. Lock that on. Let's see here. This also comes with, I'm gonna have to take off that piece there. Okay. All right, it comes with this. So this is just going to be able to hook right onto the stem of your bike seat there. And just basically, you can just unscrew this, open it up, set it on there, and that's going to go on there. And that's going to be able to just tuck this nicely out of the way. This comes with this portion here. You can just slide your lock into here. It's got this little button here on this side. So that's going to hold it behind your bike. You can lock this into there while you're doing that if you want to. And then when you need to use it, you just press this button. That's going to slide off of, this is where it's attached to the stem of the seat. And then you have like probably a good 3 feet of just some really sturdy cable here. This is going to basically, it's going to lock in right into the side here. We're going to be setting up the app, showing you how to use this, and as well as the, oh, looks like I'm going to have to charge it up first. So get that all taken care of, and then I'm going to show you guys how this thing works. Hey friends, so just added this app real quick, downloaded it for the bicycle lock here. Super easy. I just actually scanned a QR code and uploaded the app. Now if I want to unlock it, currently that is locked in there really good. I can just tap the unlock button here on the app, and now it's unlocked. Super quiet, doesn't make any sound. This really seems quite strong. And lock it here also. It's locked. And then if I want to open it up, I just put my fingerprint here. Which way did I do it there? Dun dun dun. It's a little greasy there. And there we go. Yeah, you got to make sure that with these fingerprint locks, make sure got some oil or something on there, that your hand is like clean. If it's like water or something, just wipe it off on your pants, and then you can just open it up just like that with a touch of a button. So that's pretty sweet. This thing just goes right out of the way there. If you want to do add fingerprints, it has this option on here for fingerprint management. You just click there. And then if you want to wake up the device to connect to the lock, you just press the button. The blue light comes on there, and it's able to connect to your device. Then you simply just go onto the fingerprint one, plus press here to add a fingerprint, put a name in there. Let's put Bill. And then we just add fingerprint. And then it's going to tell you to touch the front of the thing here multiple times, different ways. And then we're done. Okay, so fairly simple there, and then it just adds a fingerprint, and you can unlock this with the button here also, and there it's unlocked too. You can authorize management for different people, different features on the app here, and things like that. So it's pretty cool, user friendly, and kind of handy there. You don't need to have your phone here in order to unlock it either. Like I said, you can just use your fingerprint. I'm going to wipe this off a little bit. There we go. So locked, and then we just unlock it with a touch of your finger. I would recommend adding multiple fingers. So put a thumb on there, your other finger, just in case, because accidents happen. I would recommend doing like a couple, like 2 or 3, maybe one on each side or whatever, because if you damage your finger or something, or your thumb, then you can't access your thing. So it's not a bad idea. But pretty sweet lock here, guys. Definitely feels pretty sturdy here. I like the fact that I can just lock it onto the back of a bike seat if you want to, on the stem there. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.